Hello. This recording is going to show you how to record a Zoom meeting. Where do these recordings go and how to retrieve them? So first of all, that to explain, the Zoom will give you two options to record. So when I'm recording, maybe the recording will go to the local computer, your own computer, or go to the cloud. There are pros and cons for each. And you are going to decide this when you start recording. So you'll be given these two options. If I'm going to record locally, like this screen, you're going to, if I go here and maybe I'll just make it with the pointer here, you can see that you will have this where you have this small circle. So when I make it like this, you'll find that this is a local recording, and the local recording always go to your own computer, and nothing will show for you unless that you finish your meeting. Then it will be converted to a video file format mp4. Then you'll find it in a folder which has the date and the time that you done the recording. If you select that instead of the local you go to the cloud, you'll find that slightly different, because if you look at the red circle here, you'll find that you have kind of cloud, and again that whenever that you're going to stop finish the meeting, that will stop the cloud recording, and that will go to the cloud. So where can I find this recording after I finish my meeting? So first of all, you start your meeting and then you are going to say, yes, I would like to record. So I will show you. If I would like to have a meeting like this, I will go to see my meetings. And if I have a meeting like schedule like this and I'd like to start it, so here that will start my Zoom meeting. So now it should like less than a minute. When I start my meeting, it will prompt for me that if I would like to record, where does the record will go? Will it go to local or it will go to the cloud? So let's start by here. And this is my meeting. And you can see that if I would like to start here to do the recording here in the more, I will go, you can see these, the two options, record on this computer, record to the cloud. These are the two options. So I won't go get along with the meeting, but I'm going to like start and meeting for all. And I'll show you now, after I do this, where will the local will go. If I go to the documents, in the documents you'll find for all our computers that we have a folder has a name Zoom. And here the Zoom, you can see that all my meetings and everything I would like to save regarding to the Zoom. It's not just the video recording, it can be an annotation that will explain it in a later video, or it can be any kind of a whiteboard as well. And the recording here, you can see that I have them here. It has the date and the time. This is the local, and if I just double click here, you'll find that take the one which has MP4 and that you can share it with your participants. This is for the local and you can have full control on it. What about the cloud, where it might be the reason that we are using this, because it's easier for your participants to share with. And instead of that, I'm bothered by sending the whole file attachment. Maybe it will exceed the size limit. Maybe sharing a link will be easier. Where can I find this? If I go to the my local Zoom meeting here, so these are my Zoom meetings here. And if I go to recordings here, so I just log into your Zoom profile, go to recordings. In the recordings here, you'll find the two options that I explained earlier, cloud or local. In the local reading, there's not too much to do because already it is saved on your computer. So you just go to the Zoom on the documents. In the cloud, because it's now saved at the Zoom cloud storage area, you'll find all the recording that have been uploaded to the cloud will be listed here. Here I have just one, which is this one, and it's saved here. Just to mention, it depends on the license you have for the Zoom. It will give you a specific storage limit. If you go for the education, you'll go for 50 meg. So it depends really. Make sure that you do not exceed the maximum limit. Other than that, after like couple of recording, you will have a message say that you exceeded your limit. Then you need to go to the cloud, tick or select the one that you'd like to remove, and then you can like delete it. You can actually, if you have a long list of recorded, you can look for here, but you can have also other options. You can download it to be on your computer, or you can also delete it. The good feature and the benefit of using the cloud that I can easily share it, because when I share it, you simply that you have sharing information. So if you'd like to like show it, or what I do, if I'd like to send the cloud recording to my participants, I will copy this. I can copy it and send it via email or at the presentation or at any source you're going to share with, and that will be the easier part. Again, if you exceeded the limit, you can also select it and you go to more and delete. This about the cloud recording. So the objective of, just to wrap up, the objective of this recording, that if I would like to share, or if I'd like to have my recorded Zoom meeting, where can I find it? It can be done by the local on your computer in the Zoom folder and the documents, or it can go to the cloud. To access the cloud, you need to go to log into your Zoom profile. On the left hand side in the panel, you have recording, which is a button. You click on the button, will give you all the list of the recording that have been saved on the cloud. I hope that you find it useful, and now you know more about recording at Zoom meetings, and I hope that you find it useful. Thank you, and goodbye.